Have you or one of your employees ever come up and asked you, how much life insurance should I purchase? Well, today's video is a quick little tips and trick on how to calculate how much life insurance you should purchase. I'd like to start off with a little acronym. For life insurance, it's LIFE. Let's go over what each part of these mean. For the L, loans. So let's think about your mortgage, car payments, credit cards, student loan debt, all those different things. Let's calculate how much debt you currently have and how much you would want to pay off in the event of something happening to you, unfortunately. I, income replacement. Something happens to me, how much income do I need to be able to replace for my family to help provide for my spouse, my kids, things like that, and for how many years, right? So you can take a percentage of your income times a couple number of years to calculate how much that is, but that's a helpful piece when it comes to the income. F, final expense. How much is your funeral going to cost? How extravagant do you want to get? Typically, even a cremation type thing can cost almost close to $10,000, and that's usually not in people's emergency savings. So one of the things you can add in there. E, education or everything else. Education being, if you want to save some money aside for your kids to be able to go to school, put some money aside for a final education expense, or everything else can be charities, things like that, be able to add that up. So once you kind of total everything up here, you have your loans, income replacement, final expenses, and education. This should give you a starting point. Now, depending upon your situation here, that might be a little bit high as far as what you think that you need to be able to have. And so part of this is just having a starting point to know, well, if I have $1 million need, but if I'm purchasing $500,000, again, that's still knowing where you're at and understanding that $500,000 or whatever that number is better than having no life insurance at all in the event of a tragic situation. Hope this was helpful for you. Give me a comment, like, share, anything if you have comments on this or any other tips and tricks that you'd like to see. Thank you.